Hold on, I'm gonna show you how to fix hearing yourself in the headphones. Go to search bar, type sound, go to sound control panel. Go. There's two methods. I'm gonna show you the first one. Go to recording, microphone, go to lesson, and this might be turned on. I'm gonna demonstrate you how it works. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, you can hear two voices, and it's very annoying. So after that, there's second method. Go down, um, play any video.
Let me throw it in.
So you can see this green bar go up. Click on it. Go to levels. If this is at 100%, turn it to 0, and that's it. If this does not still work for you, it might be your motherboard. If it works, please leave a like or dislike. I don't care. And please, please, please subscribe. And thank you very much.